If you are also thinking of buying a fantastic smartphone in the mid-budget, then there is a good news for you. According to the leaks, Nokia is going to launch its most powerful smartphone in few days. Here you are going to get a strong battery backup of 7500 mAh, with a 150 megapixel DSLR camera. The name of this smartphone is Nokia Dragon Pro 5G. In today's video, we will told about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Dragon Pro 5G. Display. Inside this fantastic smartphone of Nokia, you will get to see 6.85 inches Full HD Plus, Super AMOLED display. With the 144 Hz refresh rate, and 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Apart from this, many great features, like protection of the ceramic shield, to protect the display, and in-display fingerprint sensors for privacy also seen in it. Camera setup. This magnificent smartphone of Nokia has a setup of triple camera, in which you have been provided with a 150 megapixel camera as the main camera. Apart from this, it gets 50 megapixels, and 5 megapixels other two camera sensors. And as a selfie camera, it has a 50 megapixel superb selfie camera sensor. Processor. To give strength to this smartphone, Nokia has to install the latest and powerful, MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor in it. Other side, in the mobile phone, you will also get the latest, Android 15 operating system. Battery backup. Battery has an important role to give power backup to any smartphone. Therefore, to give power backup to this smartphone, a strong powerful battery of 7500 mAh has been provided. And 100-watt fast charger will be given to charge it. With USB Type-C charging port. Price and launch date. The price of this Nokia smartphone is currently estimated. According to the leaks in the global market, it can be around $500. And talk about the launch date, it can be launched in this year's last